The start of a new year brings new opportunities to focus on your health and fitness. But where do you begin? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 7 simple and actionable steps to help you live a healthier, fitter life. Big resolutions can feel overwhelming and hard to sustain. Instead, start small. Set achievable goals like walking 10 minutes a day or swapping sugary drinks for water. Small steps lead to big changes over time. The inspired step activation. What you eat fuels your body and mind. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods and aim to make half your plate fruits and vegetables. Replace unhealthy snacks with nutritious options like nuts, yogurt, or fresh fruit. You don't need a gym to get active. Start by incorporating movement into your daily routine. Stretch during breaks, take a brisk walk, or try a 10-minute workout video. Consistency is key. A consistency of training routines is critical. And light exercise routines. Limit load to 15 minutes, or just run. Hydration is essential for your body to function at its best. Keep a water bottle with you and aim for at least 8 glasses a day. It's one of the simplest ways to boost your energy and focus. Good sleep is the foundation of good health. Create a bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and aim for 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Your body and mind will thank you. Stress can take a toll on your health. Manage it with mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. Even spending time outdoors can help you reset and recharge. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins along the way, whether it's completing a workout or preparing a healthy meal. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Transforming your health and fitness doesn't have to be complicated. With these 7 steps, you can create sustainable habits that last a lifetime. This year, make it your healthiest one yet.